Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learning with Suvita. Today's video is about the Indian Constitution and its salient features. The term Constitution is derived from the Latin term constituere, which means to establish. Constitution is the basic law of a country. It is superior to all other laws. The idea of Constitution originated in Britain and the written constitution originated from USA. Constitution can be divided into two, written and unwritten constitution. Written or enacted constitution. A written constitution is one in which most of the basic principles are reduced to writing. It is found in one or more legal documents duly enacted in the forms of law. It is the result of the conscious and deliberate efforts of the people. A written constitution is otherwise called as enacted constitution. Indian constitution and American constitutions are the examples of written constitution. Unwritten and evolved constitution. An unwritten constitution is one in which most of the provisions are not in written form. It is not enacted by a representative body. It consists of customs, conventions, traditions, and also some written laws. An unwritten constitution is not the result of conscious and deliberate efforts of the people, so it is called as evolved or cumulative constitution. British Constitution and Israel Constitution are the examples of unwritten constitution. Constitution can be further subdivided into two as rigid and flexible. This subdivision is based on the nature of the procedure to be followed for the amendment of the Constitution. Rigid Constitution. A rigid constitution is one which cannot be amended in the manner in which ordinary laws are passed, amended or repealed. If a special procedure is needed for its amendment, it is called rigid constitution. Examples for rigid constitution are USA, Canada, Switzerland, Japan, and Australia. Flexible constitution. A flexible constitution is one which can be amended easily by a simple majority of parliament. There will not be any difference between constitutional law and ordinary law. Example of flexible constitution is British Constitution. Salient features of Indian Constitution. Lengthiest written constitution. Constitution of India is the lengthiest of all the written constitution of the world. Originally, Indian Constitution contained a preamble, 395 articles, 8 schedules, and 22 parts. At present, it consists of as many as 465 articles, 12 schedules, and 25 parts. Blend of rigidity and flexibility. Constitution of India is neither rigid nor flexible. Indian Constitution is partially rigid and partially flexible. Federal system with unitary bias. The Indian Constitution is federal in character and unitary in spirit. Hence, it is referred to as quasi-federal. Parliamentary form of government. The Constitution of India established a parliamentary form of government both at the centre and in the states. Here the parliament is supreme and represents the people of India. A secular state. The state shall not discriminate against any citizen on the ground of religion. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, like the video, share and comment.